Do some water here. Chili. Get our flea comb. Oh, it's a mold, one of those external molds that likes to bleed. I'm gonna let it get air in it. There's nothing you can do about it. I wouldn't go to the vet to remove it, in my opinion. She's old enough, but I am gonna clean it, and they should just keep it exposed and clean. That's what they should do. It's just a mole, and we get those ourselves, but they don't get as nasty as something like this. Yeah, it's painful, right? I'm sorry. It's really smelly too, but it's been caked up like that for how long? I don't know. Who knows how long? It seeps out. Those kind of moles seep out a lot, so it's best to... I'm not a veterinarian, but this is what I would do if I run into it while I'm grooming. So we're going to use this. I'm going to use this malicetic as a cleaner, and I'm going to use that as a natural bandage spray to help as I clean it, so I can shave that a little bit more with the 40 blade. First, I'm going to disinfect my 40 blade first, though. Come here. Come turn around this way, sweetie. Come on, turn around this way. So I'm not trying to touch the mole itself, but I am trying to just shave all this nasty, smelly, smelly, like really smelly. So there's things called, well, I call them this. You can look them up there. I'm sure there's a veterinarian technology where there are moles, and my Shih Tzu had about 50 moles before he passed away. And no. Let me put that on there. And I had a couple removed, and then I realized, wow, I'm just going to he'll be in surgery all the time removing them as he got older, you know what I mean? And so that's not what I wanted to do. I didn't want him going through a bunch of surgeries, so I didn't do that. Okay, hold on. Let me clean this out. What I want is, I want them to allow this mold to be able to breathe. Okay, that's the key, is to get this breathable. And if they want to go to the vet, obviously they can. They can go and have the vet now look at it, because it was covered under all that hair. It might be something else going on, but I wouldn't. She's pretty old. I don't know that I would go through surgery, but these are decisions that the pet parent who owns the dog would make, you know, would decide what to do. And I'm just here to help, to get this exposed and breathing, okay? And while she's here, I'm going to do this natural bandage spray. Just to, maybe I shouldn't. No, I'm just going to clean it. I'm just going to do the cleaning thing. I know, it probably hurts. Yeah, I understand that. I'm just going to clean it, put that, and then let them decide what they want to do. But at least it's exposed now and they know what to work with, okay? Whew. Glad we cleaned that out. I'm glad we did look at that. Now they can see what's going on under there. Good girl, Abby. Good girl. Yes, we did. Good girl. Good girl, we done now? Huh? Okay. Turn you around here. Good girl, Abby. What's going on with that? Let's take that out of there. Can I get you to scoot up? Scoot up a little bit.